The steps you must follow are as follows. Go to the Google Play Store page and search for Learn French. Click on Install and wait. Now click on Open. Again, log into the app. There it will give you the start. In the first entry you will have common French sentences. 6,000 essential words. In conversations you can see basic, elementary, intermediate, advanced levels. Listen to news in French. Listen to stories in French. If you click on prayers, you will have these options. The sound player appears and reads the sentence in Spanish and French and you can listen to it. If you click on basic level, for example, you are going to start your guided study, click on it and see what happens. You will find a list with introduction 1, 2, 3, and etc. In the upper left corner, you can see several settings for improvement. In language, for example, you can select the language of your choice. Ma apps, ratings, app sharing, etc.